You can choose different layouts for item pages in order to suit the individual requirements of your business and the nature of your items. This is the first of a two-part series on configuring layouts, and ahead of this video you should have a number of items on your website that you are selling to customers. You can make changes to item layout by entering basket and selecting the layout section, and then entering the items area. The item layout that we just saw has the default setting applied to it, whereby equal weight is given to an item's image and the item description. They are evenly balanced. And if you are in doubt about which layout best suits your item, use this one to be safe. The item layout set in this section applies to all of your items. Layout cannot be changed on an item by item basis. You'd select this item layout when you want to place more emphasis on the text surrounding your item, and use this option when you want to place more emphasis on the image. And then use this option when you want the image and description to take up the whole of the page, with any additional information at the bottom of the page. Let's run through some examples of when each layout would be appropriate for a particular item. The smaller image option is useful when you have items with a lot of information attached to them and whose images are less important than its specifications. So a shop selling parts is a good example of when this layout is appropriate, because the various custom fields and specifications are what need to stand out. You would then use the bigger image item layout option when you wanted the item image to be the most prominent aspect of the page. So this setting obviously works well for an art vendor website, whereby the painting is the main character of the page and there are only a few variants down the side. You would use the final item layout option when you want the basic information, image, price and summary, to be front and center and really jump out at the customer, with further text in columns below the basic information. So this is useful when you have a used car website and you want to get across obviously the name of the car, the main specifications, the price and of course the image. However, avoid using this option if you want to have all of the information about an item immediately viewable to customers as soon as they land on the item page. And with that, you now have a basic understanding of how to use different item layout settings to select a layout that suits the particular nature of your item. You should now take a look at our video on configuring the layout for groups. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.